Today is all about meal prepping for her school lunches, getting all her uniforms together for this week because she do wear uniforms. Also do a little bit of maintaining on her hair. Thank God I did her hair a couple of days ago, but I need to do her edges and stuff like that. And also I have to cook because I'm hungry, my husband hungry, everybody's hungry. Okay, so I pulled out everything that I think I need, and then also I made a list of the things that I need to go to the store and get because we're running out of stuff for her lunch. But I put down her lunch menu, which I'm gonna show right now. Okay, so she's gonna do pasta, pizza, wings, sandwiches, and boudin. Saturday and Sunday, I have no idea. Alright, so this is everything, almost everything, and I'm about to get started. Sausage and spaghetti with corn, broccoli. She only eats raw broccoli with some ranch. Okay, so strawberries are sliced up with a juice. So this is meal 1 for Monday. It's pizza, strawberries, and corn, and also her juice. Okay, so we have chicken, broccoli with ranch, with some buttercorn and some strawberries for day 4 for Miranda's lunch. So one of the things I do not like doing is asking myself every single day what it is that I'm gonna make for my daughter's lunch every day. And I'm like, I want to be able to wake up in the morning and just grab and go. I love grab and go. So that's why I'm taking my Sunday time to just get it together. It also helps with me being able to outline how my baby should eat on a daily basis. So now that I'm starting the process, I know what she's gonna eat for lunch, then I can kind of decide what she's gonna eat after school. So this whole week, Miranda's gonna have popcorn and a bottle of water after school. And then I have to take the time to decide what it is that she's gonna eat for dinner. She could be eating leftovers, or I'll just rearrange it. She eats the same thing on a regular. It's just that sometimes I need to just rotate it. So this is my picky eating daughter that eats the same thing all the time. Yeah,